Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to go over our sales tax internal review task. First thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. Then you're going to want to go ahead and go to Firm Templates, Tasks, and then open that task just to review everything involved. First, you're going to see that you have the template name, you have your description, the role that is assigned to is going to be the manager. You're going to start in 0 days, which means you're going to start today, and it's due in 2 days. You're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit after you've reviewed everything and edited it to your needs. And then you're going to click Save and Exit. And we're going to go ahead and assign it as a one-off task. Now, normally it's going to be part of your sales tax pipeline. But this way you can see what it looks like once it's been assigned. We're going to go ahead and click New, Task. We're going to assign it to my test account. I'm going to click Templates and select the correct template. And here again, you can review everything that's involved. You can make a one-off change if you need to, assigning it this way. You can see you've got your description and your start date and your due date. So we're going to go ahead and click Create. This is going to assign it to our client. Once it's been assigned to our client, you can go ahead and click on it. And this is what it's going to look like once it's been assigned to you or to one of your team members. Again, you have your description and your start date and your due dates. Once you've completed the task, you can go ahead and mark it completed by clicking on the status and marking completed. This is going to help your pipeline move forward and remove the active task from your client's portal. We're going to click Save, and you can see that task was removed from the portal. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.